This is the most recommended place that we have gotten in our DMs in the entire state of Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Today we are in Alexandria, Virginia, which is right outside of DC. It's like south and west of DC. Beautiful little area. It's called Old Town. It's got a lot of Christmas decor up here. Just a great area. And today we're at the People's Drug. Not only were a lot of people telling me you have to go to the People's Drug, but the majority of them were mixologists. So, you know, people that respect the craft. So I was like, okay, we gotta go here. Now, when I got here, I did find out that right now, they're only doing takeout, delivery, and to-go meals and cocktails. So I said, you know what? If that's all they're doing, we gotta definitely highlight that. They have a pre-batched old-fashioned to go. You can get signature old fashioned right here. They also have some flavored old fashions. One of them is an Irish coffee old fashioned. Today I'm just gonna try the signature old fashioned and we'll give that a go. So pour up yourself, you know, because this is what you're gonna do when you come here. Purchase this, take it home, get a nice single cube, nice glass, you'll be ready to go. Here we go. Whew, smells clean. Early in the day, I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? It's like 11:30 in the morning right now. All right, so again, you guys know how this works. 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, 0 through 1 of ambiance of the restaurant. Okay, just off appearance, they got the single cube, they got the orange. The glass isn't as big as I would love it to be, but it is a really fancy glass, so it is, I like it. I like it. I like it. Off appearance, I'm gonna go we're gonna go 2.7. Again, bigger glass would have been fire. But again, if you're doing these to go, like have good glassware inside your house, you're good to go. That's it. That's all you need. Here we go. First sip. Wow. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to be that good considering it's literally in a to-go container. I guess if you mix it right, it's gonna be good no matter what, but I don't know, for some reason I was just like, even though this is the most recommended place, since it's in a to-go thing, I'm like, it can't be that great. This is phenomenal. First sip, I'm gonna go, excuse the noise. First sip, I'm gonna go 2.9. I wanna go 2.9 first sip. Overall, it's just so clean. The cleanliness is so, I mean, if it's smooth, if it's clean, it's just, I mean, again, it's in a little to go. I mean, this is it. And, listen, I rarely go above on overall after the first sip, but I think I'm gonna go 3, like full 3 overall. Especially considering, god damn, especially considering it's in a to-go container. Like, this was pre-mixed, who knows when? Could have been yesterday, could have been last week, doesn't matter, and it's still that good. Full 3 on overall taste, and as far as ambiance is concerned, again, every restaurant in Virginia right now is going through tough times. They're only doing takeout and delivery because they are a smaller location. So listen, come here, support them. I'm gonna go full 1 off of overall ambiance of the restaurant. Not only do they have these amazing old fashions and a lot of other mixed cocktails to go, he's made like kits, which I'll show you, that you can take home, like mixers, shakers, and just like holiday kits, so you can like make multiple drinks at home. So yeah, what'd I say? 3.1, 2.9, was that 6.9? And I said 2.7, I think. So that's 8.9, 9.6. I actually think I remembered all that math. 9.6, which I think is, I think 9.6 might be the second highest. I think before that was 9.5. So now we have the second highest old-fashioned in Virginia. Again, People's Drug. If you're looking for a phenomenal to-go cocktail, this is like, again, it's like, it's unbelievable. So People's Drug, Virginia is for Grubbers. Thank you guys. Cheers.